Hello students, this is Samir Philip. Today we are going to study Geography chapter 3rd, Our Changing Earth. The lithosphere is broken into a number of plates. This plate known as lithospheric plate. These plates, lithospheric plates also move, but their movements are very slow. The movement of this lithospheric plate is very slow. Even that this lithospheric plate moves few millimeters in a year. It is because the movement of molten magma inside the earth. As we know, inside our earth molten magma is there. That molten magma continuously flows. So because of the movement of this molten magma, this lithospheric plates also move. This movement of these plates causes changes on our earth surface. Our earth, whatever changes we experience, these changes occur on our earth because of the movement of this lithospheric plate. The earth's movements are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. These forces act as interior of the earth are called as endogenic forces. That means indigenic forces are those forces which work from inside the earth, and the force that work on the surface of the earth are called as exogenic forces. This movement of these endogenic forces cause mass destruction. The movement of this endogenic force two types. Sometimes it move very fast, sometimes it move slow. When this endogenic forces movement is fast, it cause very destructive, like earthquake, volcanoes, cause mass destruction over the earth surface. It caused because of endogenic forces. Look at this table. Earth movements, two type movements, endogenic force and exogenic force. Endogenic forces, we can see that some sudden forces like earthquake, volcanoes, landslide, suddenly it happened. We cannot predict, we cannot judge about this. Like earthquake suddenly it happened, earth shake, and it caused damage of life and property. It comes from inside. Volcano erupt from inside the earth because of the molten magma. That molten magma flow inside the earth and suddenly it erupt. It called, and lots of damage of life and property. So it is an endogenic force. Exogenic forces, we can say, like erosional depositional work done by the rivers. Sometime rainy season flood occur, which also cause that life and property damage. A strong wind, when the strong wind blow, it also cause the damage. Sea waves, like we had seen the tsunami in December 2004 here in India, we experienced tsunami. So that tsunami joint huge wave, it also caused the damage of life and property. Sometime glacier also started moving, and that also whatever the things coming in their way, it also destruct all these things. Now see volcanoes. What are volcanoes? So a volcano is a vent in the earth's crust through which molten material erupt suddenly. Look at this picture. Here molten material, this molten magma is inside the earth is flow. Then this molten magma suddenly come upside the earth. That place through which molten magma come out, it is known main vent. Through this main vent, molten magma, red color magma, come upside of earth. Then place from where this magma come, it is not crater. When this magma come out from the earth, it blasts, its magma come from this crater, that crater blast, and many kilometers above the sky, that ashes clouds appear there. Then it erupts so many um, days, ash also. Then when magma start flowing through that volcano, after when the volcano erupt, magma started flowing, that lava, that magma or the lava start flowing, and it travels so uh, even so many kilometer distance also it travels. And on the way, whatever the things come, um, that magma or the lava, that distract all these things. Then on the this volcano, one the main vent and some other vent which known as secondary vent or secondary cone, that is also through that secondary vent also magma erupt, but the main vent erupt the magma or lava. So this is volcano. Student, just now we have seen the lithospheric plate move, and their movement is very slow. But when this lithospheric plate move, the surface of the earth vibrate. That means we can say the place where the place above the lithospheric plate feel vibration, and this vibration we call as earthquake. Earth means our earthquake means shake. So when our earth shake, it is known as earthquake. The place in the crust where the movement start is called focus. Like suppose here, this is the focus, that on earth, the earth crust where this movement start, it is called that focus.